Alright. Yo. Give me 1 second. I'm just getting this out on Twitter and shit. Alright. I think we're good. Good morning, Luis. Morning, David. Morning. Alright, guys. I am bullish. Today, the expansion moves are pretty clean overnight. I think it's pretty telling. And I would like this high to get taken out right here. Morning, bro. Morning. Little Paul, Leon. My guys. So guys, if we inverse this 1 minute here, I would look at a trade. I'll look to take an early trade too. This 1 minute inverse. And it run these highs. I want 17,700 today. Oh yeah, the top step bell to bell emote thing came out. If you guys need to reset any accounts. Andrew was good. Eric was good. What's good, y'all? I'm expecting less people to be in here today since ICT is live. He's probably gonna take up most of the trading community. We inverse this, we'll use this as a high, 92, and then this high up here that I have marked out. Ideally, we don't run this high before open, but I don't think that's going to work out. Inverse gap. These moves are happening quick. I do think this is still going to hold, and we'll probably take out this 17,700. It's all good. It's all good. Day just started. I really don't want to short today. I just don't think it's going to be a good opportunity to short. All right. Let's patience, discipline. Let's get some money, fam. Let's get some money. We'll take 700 when used in 15 minutes. Yes, sir. I like that. Yeah, there is news in about 15 minutes, guys. Red folder. I think it's PMI. If I only get some red folders action. So we'll let this play out how it wants to play out, and then once that red folder comes in. Normally this is the IFUG on a long, but since that high got taken out, you got news in a bit. Hold off. What are you guys talking about the candle countdown? I literally don't know what you guys are talking about with that. The time difference for what? I never used the countdown. I just use like simple math, like every 5 seconds or every 5 minutes the 5-minute closes, etc. I've never used that. I don't know. I don't even know how to put it on. I usually just look at the time, like, okay, it's 6:32, and at 6:35 the candle's gonna close. I don't know. Right on the side where the price is. Okay, I'm guessing here. Okay, countdown to bar close. Does that make a difference? No. That's it. Okay. Oh, right there. I don't know. That. I mean, some people use it. To each their own. I really don't mind or care for it, to be honest. Alright, thank you guys. I'll got you guys. If this makes it easier, fuck it. Yeah. Oh, the time lag too. Oh yeah, if there is like, I think there's a delay. There's like a small like, I think it's like 3 seconds. I don't know why. You guys could put me in ×2 speed and it'll catch up, or 1.5, and it'll end up catching up anyways. It's an 8-second delay. There's no way. It should not be 8 seconds. There's no way. Let me see. I have myself up. Why is it delayed so much? I have it on no delay. Alright, testing. That's insane. 8 seconds is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, put me in 2x speed. Put me in 2x speed. 2x speed. 2x speed. You gotta be straight. Yeah, speed up. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I have it on. I just have it sped up. So let's run these areas of sell side before the move starts. I think we got London lows down right. It's London open right here. It's around right here. We got news in about 10 minutes. News in about 10. Okay, opens. Oh shit! Did I mean do that? I would, like I said, we're looking for longs today. I'm not really going to be looking to trade any shorts. Alright, let's be patient here. You got news in a bit. Alright. The ES has to take out this high here. Like I said, I'm going to be looking for longs today. I'm not going to play or look for too many shorts. Look at the hourly structure. We're in an hourly order block here too. So I want to see if we could get some displacement from here. Because there is the hourly OB. And you already know what I'm looking at right here. This would be very good. If we could take this. If he flips as the inverse. That would be very good. So basically just wait for some inverse gaps on here. We're in an hourly OB, so we're in a higher time frame PDRA. So we're chilling with that. Also, thank you guys for tuning in. I know it's early for some of you guys, especially the West Coast. Yo, Swami baby. Alright, 5 minutes until that news comes out. 5 minutes. Alright, let's just see if ES can sweep these before we go. I would like for these to be gone before this flips as the inverse. We swept sell side. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm bullish because we're in an hourly OB, right? So I'm just waiting for some inverses to form. I would ideally like ES to sweep this low as well. So that would be if ES sweeps this low, we get a wick back up, we're good to go. Because NQ has already taken out some sell side. This is usually when I just wait for an inverse gap. If you want to be even, more like a safe, what you could do is wait for this like huge 5-minute gap to flip inverse, but I think we could be good down here. Yeah, if you do 2x speed, it will catch up. There's no delay. We'll load sell off entirely breaker. Yeah, 2x speed gets rid of that. This makes me uncomfortable. This ESOs. We got London lows are down here. Let's see, right around here. We wait for your low. Yeah, honestly, if ES could take out this low here and then NQ could flip this inverse, I think we'll be good to go. Big if. And we have news in 3 minutes. We'll know really quickly here what's gonna happen. Oh, where this wants to draw towards. Hopefully it's a wick down and move back up. That'd be perfect. This is a 15-minute. We got a lot of structure here, so let's see if the 15-minute could hold above the 645 area. Alright, there's that ES low. Even the ES 5-minute looks terrible. Let's go to the 15. Hold your horses. Was bullish last night, dude. Same, bro. I just couldn't. I don't know. I don't like to trade overnight sessions no more, bro. One, they're very like late for me, but or like in terms of London opens at like 12. I suck. Nah, it happens, bro. It happens. I was talking with Lanto last night, and he was trading London, and it was really nice moves, or like Asia and London. Yeah, I'm just looking at the profile for this week. I just don't think we're that bearish. Lanto's up, bro, and dude, he sleeps like, I don't know how he does it. Alright. I think news pushes this up, guys. This is what I want. Alright, you need to put your stop at the low. This is what I want. Let's see. I want lower than a wick. So that's, again, the full port long got it. Yes, sir. Full port, baby. PMI mid. All right, I really want to long this inversion if it happens. Discord real quick. Make sure everyone's doing all good. Oh my god, it wicked, bro. There's no fucking way. There is no way. You guys see that troll shit, bro? You guys see that troll shit? Like, dude, I was ready to smack that buy button, bro. I really was. Dude, I had my TradeAway open on my laptop here. Oh, I was ready to smack. Fucking trolls, dude. I swear to God. They said, gotcha, bitch. I was like, alright. Why did they fuck me for? That's funny. Ain't that something? Dude, even ES 15 minute. This looks terrible, dude. I'm telling you, ES fell off, man. Make ES great again. Make ES great again. Alright, boys. I'm in. I'm about to smack long right now. Alright, let's get it. This is a setup here I'm taking. I have a 63.5 entry. 63.5. I'm gonna take 4 contracts here on 2 accounts, so 2 contracts each. And we'll use this previous high as 1 TPs. So we'll go this previous high. I can't alert. It's hard to alert and be live at the same time, so sorry for the Discord folks. Don't be a bitch, NQ. I'm not signed in to YouTube no more. Well, if you guys say something in the chat, I can't read it real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright. Can someone say something in the chat real quick? I don't know if my thing's working. Just real quick. Okay, alright, good. This is weird, bugged out. I don't know, 'cause I'm watching this stream through my laptop and it's just... Alright, if you guys can see, that's fine. It's weird. Alright, I see some continuation here. What's your guys' entries on this? Damn, if for some reason I had micros up on my screen, not minis. Dude, it happens to me so often, bro. I don't know why. That's like, that's a pretty big thing for me too. 51, 56. Oh my god, you're nasty. You're nasty with 56. You're nasty. How's ES looking? ES needs to pick up here, or we at least we run these highs, go stops to break even. All right, we run these highs, go stops to break even. 11 points. Oh yeah, I'm trimming. I'm out half. All right, we'll go rest the break even. That's good. That's good. Got a really solid move off that. 15 points. When break even stop, or you put your stop under this low, under like 54, depending on where you got your entry at. I'm going to stop under 54 for the rest of them. That's fine. I'm going to go stop under 54 for the rest of them. I want to see this displace higher. We got our 15 points, but I want to see like a continuation here. I really do. You guys green on this? If this is your first time watching me trade, total 15 points. Do you even trade? Total 15 points is first TP, and then I usually. What the fuck is this? And then I usually go stops, or like stops under the low or break even after that. After total 15 points. But let's see if we get above this OB here and continue up. Does this guy even trade? Does he even trade, bro? Doesn't even trade. Bro, getting a Trojan. Dude, it was some Bitfinder like a ad blocker thing, bro. I want to see displacement above. We need to break a structure above this area. This is 5-minute FEG we're rejecting off of. It's because ES is still making lower days. Like, ES has no life in it. Because ES a bitch. I need to make that inversion order block thread because that's kind of what we had. Yeah, Serge, I want the big pump too, but this 1 minute OB or this 5-minute gap is being a bitch, and also the ES is dead, bro. Makes it harder. Let's see if we get a run up on ES as well. Are we guys able to secure some gains off that? Dude, this is a running joke. If you guys know about Owl's Discord, dude, they're telling me always to change my smoke detector, bro. It's been literally like 5 months. It's literally been 5 months, bro. How can I make this chat bigger? We're up nice, bro. We're up nice. Let's target this high here. Do you even trade, bro? Looking ass. Sugma. Dude, can ES stop sucking ass? Thank you. Bro, I keep fucking clicking off of it, dude. Yeah, if you guys are on Discord, Ridge is looking at the same thing here. Sir Pepe. Sorry if you guys are typing in chat. Hold on, I'm not gonna read right now. Eric, as you say that, look what he just typed in. Look at the fucking emails, man. Basso, my guy. Yeah, be break even or close to break even here. That was a clean trade. That was a clean trade. That's why we take our partials and stuff. Like I said, I'm very bullish until these highs. ES just needs to, once ES gets some type of strength here, it will be good. But ES is just dead. We got some like, I don't even like to look at ES like liquidity at these days because like there's so much like chop. There's so many equal lows, equal highs. ES is pretty much unbearable to look at these days. I'm telling you, like that shit is ass. Asterclass. Absolute asterclass on ES. So my stop is set right here. Cause last time I had Tradevate and YouTube at the same time, my shit was just lagging for some reason. So I want to avoid that. NQ wants this to run. ES needs to lock in. Even if we get stopped out on the rest of our position, you should look for longs. Like you should try to position yourself for longs to up until 17,700. I think that's definitely where the draw is going to be at. All right, I got stopped out on the rest of my contracts. Got stopped out on rest. We're still gonna be looking for more longs up until these highs. Oh, I was using this as a TP area right here, because this was a high. Then we came back into this area, and then we came back up. This was my internal, so I had to draw out like this, just like that. All right, did you guys go green on the play? Type 1, type 1, type 1. Basil, I want to take longs just because I think these highs up here just it makes more sense to take out versus I mean, London lows are right around this area right here, right? So let's go look at a 15-minute. Until there's no 15-minute break of structure, I think we'll be chilling. If this displace is pretty low here, okay, obviously I'll look for that. Rejecting a 5-minute FEG off of this sweep from the morning. Good shit, guys. Ah, dude, brackets. ICT is short. Let's see if he gets away with it. Let's see if he gets away with it. He's probably looking at something similar to what Basil was talking about. He's probably going for these lows as internals. This is why. Like, do you guys see ES here? You see how much is knifing compared to NQ? NQ is not even budging, bro. Like, compared to this. This is a 5.5 handle move on ES. And NQ is, you know, finally starting to show some downside here. Yeah, this was Basil. This is what you're talking about. I know. I saw this too. Here. Maximum. Like ES is dead compared to NQ. Alright guys, 3 more hundred and then I'm gonna finish these two top step evals that I have. So I'm gonna be looking for one more trade here. If we get a good setup. I'll look for it. Yeah, I definitely see your standpoint. We had SMT here. I personally just want to run these highs up here. I'm very cautious in shorting after such an expansion move. Good morning, Chris. Hello, is this gonna load? Right, after such an expansion move overnight, I'm just being very cautious here. I could delete these, we don't need these no more. But those who shorted NQ versus ES are so triggered, and I know they are. I would be mad too if this was happening. ES from the highest knifed about almost 10 handles. Can't you see my laptop's in the way? I'm just gonna put right here in the side major SMT with ES. So everyone just knows. You best believe this goes IFG. I'm looking for more longs. Alright guys, I think I'm going to take a very small position here. I'm not going to go full size last time. I'm going to protect. I'm going to play with gains. Oh, I don't think I got the order in time. Nope, I did not. Alright, let's see if he comes back down here. Did not get the order in time. Oh, I wanted these highs right here for a scalp. That's tragic. I did not get buy. I didn't press the buy button in time. I'm lacking, bro. I'm lacking. I'm so bullish on NQ. I honestly don't I don't see what ICT is seeing, bro. I really don't. So I'm at FEO on 1 minute. Yes, sir, Luis. If anything, I just hope my bias is helping you guys out too, because I don't want to be egotistical, but my bias is wrong very, rarely, bro. My bias isn't wrong a lot of the time. I'm pretty upset we missed this inversion right here. I'm not gonna lie. I am pretty upset. I pressed the buy and it didn't buy. Only that 1 week was hustle. I smacked it. Yes, sir. Sir, bro. If any good move happens in the market, I'm like, you know what? I'm pretty sure Surge smacked that. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. No, you just know Surge is on that. On that. Go to the chat. Equal low concern? Nope. SMT. Cattle futures, baby. ES is probably gonna start expanding too here in a bit. So this is my quote unquote external target up here. Right on NQ. We've taken out a lot of highs, such as this one right here, off this. Bro, the inversion model is literally the best model for risk to reward, in my opinion, ever. Ever. You don't get any cleaner than this right here. You realize ES has SMT with NQ, you're chilling, right? You smack it, you'll be alright. I still think we're gonna get expansion during the PM session, or I don't know if it might happen right now in the AM session. We still have a lot of time. I do think we're gonna get expansion to upside today. I really do. If not today, then for sure tomorrow. I think it's gonna run a little bit higher than what people think, and then it'll come down. And this is gonna like I believe this is all gonna get used as low resistance liquidity here soon. Dude, it is fucking booty cheeks. Every time I go to the East Coast, I'm like, dude, this is so much better. I can wake up like at 8:30 is be chilling. Here's like 5:30. I'm like, bro. OB. But it is what it is. Alright, then I'm gonna take a jab at this OB. If we get a push down, please. Also, a little education. If people are talking about the equal lows down here, right? Relative equal lows. These do not matter as long as there's SMT happening, right? As long as it's a major, especially major SMT, like this is pretty big compared to ES and NQ. When that's happening, it doesn't matter. It literally does not matter. I have an order in at 80, 84-ish. I would very much like for it to hit. Crazy to think where we are. With the universe on the line, if I had to pick one person's bias to follow, I'm picking my own. Without a doubt. Without a fucking doubt. I'm not even trying to be egotistical, but you guys can see, like... I mean, you guys saw it. You guys saw it. What is seen does not need to be talked about. I'm just going through the chat. Here. Dude, that shit you sent me, yeah, that's pretty funny, I'm not gonna lie. That shit was pretty funny. I'm not even gonna hold you. That shit was pretty funny. I still think we keep expanding. Yeah, now I have no idea where we're going. Like, where are we going for on NQ, right? I don't have any targets up here, so we'll... Dude, ICT fell off, bro. What can I say? Yeah, Doc Rivers to the Bucks. It's a pretty big move. And they're what, 30-11? He fired the coach. Yeah, yes, I'm targeting here for sure. I'm a Laker fan, bro. Thanasis the funniest NBA player of all time. I think we're good to keep longing this all the way until ES takes out this high that it's made, bro. If I'm being real. This is all uncharted territory on NQ. So I guess you could play psych levels. I don't even know. I don't know how to play this. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how to play this. All I know is keep smacking the buy button, bro. This is gonna go higher than what people think it's gonna do. Bro, Thanasis to go. Don't disrespect. Don't disrespect. Favorite player. It's so stupid, dude. 15 minutes to be on ES. Shit, 15. Yep. This handle this with everyone that was patiently waiting too. Call me crazy. I'm taking a jab at ES longs here. They should be in the Roth RA. No, yeah, I maxed out my Roth RA. Or last year. I haven't done it this year. I don't even know when it resets. These are equal highs. It's a pretty. I'm shorting or I'm longing the weaker indice, but it is how much is it? What I was saying, I'm longing the weaker indice here, so it's a little bit more risky. I took 2 cons in ES. The Roth IRA, baby. Shove it. Check private. Sorry guys, 1 second. Oh my god, saw me. Bro, I took a scalp up here, Siegen. I fucking missed this fucking entry, bro. I smacked the buy, it didn't fucking fill me. No, I like let me go back to what we were talking about. Roth IRA, I would say trade the Roth, bro. Or definitely max out your Roth. I mean, I don't know what you guys' policies on kids or like whatever, but I mean, you gotta save not only for yourself but in the future too, right? For them. I think it's just a good thing to do. Have a Roth. Everyone wins. Everybody. Alright guys, 3 handles on ES here. It's so slow, dude. I don't know why I'm trading ES. Let's see if this is a good continuation. I'm gonna go stops to BE here. Anyone take ES play? You guys can take a trim here if you guys want. We have some equal highs, then we have those. I mean, counters and account names are different, but I got a big ass other holdings here. Solid, solid. Let me see my exact entry. Dang, those entries are a little bit off. Make sure you guys have me on 2x speed, so it's not delayed. Roasty! I almost missed you. How did I miss you? Roasty, the fucking legend, bro. I hope you're good, man. Pimpson, U.S. Simpson. Pimpson, IRL. Great dude. The speed resets back to normal? What do you mean? Oh, it goes back to 1x? That's weird. Two x speed. Only when it. All right, I need to figure out a couple things with the streams to make it better. First of all, I gotta buy another monitor, right? Second of all, I gotta figure out the delay. Any other critiques you guys have on a live stream, let me know. This is my first time ever streaming on any platform besides like obviously like Discord, but that's like easy. All right, I'm gonna take my half my contracts out here and go break even stop. Think you can fix it on OBS? So that's the thing. I went on OBS. I have it on the smallest delay. Sway, bro. Sway. We don't do it. Dude, you're gonna be so disappointed in me, bro. Dude, I fucking missed this, bro. Dude, I tell everyone I was like long this, and I pressed it, it just didn't fill me. I don't know what happened. But we took a scalp here. We took ES for. I took about. Bro would trade NQ for key points. Won't buy long term. You can see heavy ball trade. Damn, Chris and Bassel got beef here, guys. I would. Not a financial advisor. Not a financial advisor, but I would definitely go long-term investments. Definitely. All right, boys. ES is getting that move up here. I think we're gonna just continue high and push through these highs here. Rippy. All right. Definitely go stops to break even, and the next target will be 22, and then high day. Type 1, if you took that, guys. Type 1. Type 1. Long NQ since 2008. Alright, we're 2 for 2 on the streams. We beat the do you even trade allegations. Life is good, man. Do you have a promo code for Top Step? I do, probably. I probably have it somewhere in the affiliation. I just never post my affiliation codes. Because it is what I really... But I vouch for Top Step because that's what I use. I like to use Top Step. Top Step's a good firm. Yeah, I accidentally took a... Oh my dude, I fucking hate you, Chris. I fucking hate you. Dude, Chris, you're so stupid, bro. I'm just reading Discord real quick, guys. Yeah, saw you guys in the chat. Alright, let's catch up back on that. Love the streams. Appreciate it, bro. Sway. Appreciate you, man. I really do. On the Twitter and here, you're always showing love, bro. Been stuck in my dorm for way too long. Think I'm going to say, bro, I can't live in a dorm, bro. Holy shit, I lose my mind. I actually go fucking crazy, dude. It's such a small ass room. It's like I'm in prison, bro. Steven, my guy. Catching up on. Bro, IFEGs be smacking, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Motherfuckers sleeping on this shit. Fucking sleeping on this shit. The only other person I know who trades IFEG is Dodgy, bro. Who's like very consistent trading with them. That's it. I think it's the best model without a fucking doubt, bro. Whatever. We're gonna keep expanding, boys, until the ES takes us this fucking high, bro. Until ES takes out this fucking high, we're gonna keep expanding. Dude, IFEG be fucking smacking, bro. Like, I don't even know, bro. I'm gonna post this on Twitter. I'm like, if you're not trading IFEG, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing with your life? What you doing with your life? Let's make it look all pretty for the Twitter. Bro, my inability to draw straight lines triggers me, bro. That's straight, right? Yo, I don't think we've lost a we haven't lost a trade in the Discord or in the YouTube live, boys. We're 3-3. Fat I fear too. I got burned them yesterday. That lost. Bro, yesterday was seek and destroy though, right? So yesterday was like a 5-minute trading type of day. Even the 5-minute was poor. Dude, you just gotta avoid those days. It's not the. I wouldn't even say it's the concept. It's just the price was so fucking bad, bro. So fucking poor. Make sure I don't leak my DMs. Okay. Alright, how do we sound like the most cocky ICT trader if you not trading inversions? All caps though. Inversions. What are you doing? 2 for 2 on the YT live. 3 for 3 overall on YT. Free 99 for everyone. Oh, this is 100% engagement bait, dude. Bro, don't take my tweets serious, guys. If you guys ever see something and I post something like, you got like, oh, dude, look at this fucking dude. It's all engagement bait, bro. Free 99. Yeah, I don't know about forever, guys. Free 99 on the YT. I'm even when like I stream on both Discord and need a better hook. Need a better hook. I should probably pull up ES since we're in ES anyways. Dude, I don't know how to. I don't have to. I don't know. Oh, ultimate engagement. Heart if you took. There you fucking go. There we fucking go. That's the ultimate engage. Inversions are the truth. Inversions are the truth. Also, while I'm doing this, you guys notice how I'm not stressing about this ES position at all, bro? You know your take profits, you know your stop loss and the rest of your position, bro. Just let it rock. Usually I play Clash Royale when I'm in a position or some shit. Like or I'll go on TikTok or whatever. Like I literally don't care what happens when I'm in. Take profit, either gonna smack or I get stopped out, right? It is what it is. You don't gotta be stressing over every single candle. Oh my god, bro. We're fucking printing, bro. Yeah, I'll explain it right now. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Pay the fucking trader. Pay the fucking trader, bro. ICT does not want to see me in the fucking Robbins Cup. That's all I gotta say. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, I got 1 mini left, guys. I got a pretty bad fill. I literally just filled right now. Holy shit. But 1 mini left, and I'm going to run for those highs. And obviously the rest of them will be... Alright, let me fucking post this engagement bait. You know what the worst thing is? Yeah, every single... So today, this is how I did it. Next post. Make it all into a thread, man. This is how I trade today. If you guys enjoyed the live, make sure you drop a like, please, and thank you. It helps a lot to get it out to the algorithms, I think. I don't know. I hear the FaZe guys used to say that shit all the time, so... YouTube Live's pretty fun. I like doing YouTube Lives. I like doing YouTube Lives. We're fucking paid, bro. Oh my god. Fucking trying to short a all-time high move, bro. Bro, ICT is literally bagging people, bro. Unless you traded ES. If you traded ES, he got away with this. But if he didn't, oh boy. Taking Mavs and Cavs money line, dude. I quit sports betting, bro. $4 PF, $1 each. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Order filled. Looking ass. Order filled. Looking ass. Finished 2 more evals. We got 2 more express accounts coming. Zenny, the GOAT. Let's fucking go. I got you, bro. I got you. Bro quit before he hit big. No, bro. I hit big and I quit, bro. Not big, but like I did a crazy flip, so I quit. I literally like after like December, I stopped like really caring. Like early December, bro. I flipped like $100 to like 4K, and I was like, yeah, I'm done. I got that. I think it was like I took a live. I took that live Memphis Grizzlies money line. It was like plus 1600 or some shit. I put 250 on it, bro. And then after that, I just ran that shit up, and then I stopped doing it. Cause I know, bro, like I'm gonna keep putting money into it. I'm gonna lose it all. Yeah, I honestly think sports betting is not as bad. Like you could actually be profitable with sports betting, but it's just very tough. Very, very tough. I don't got time for the research, bro. Oh, dude, the Lakers have lost me so much money, bro. I literally slam Lakers money line every fucking game because I'm a Laker fan. Shit tragic, bro. Sway, you so smooth, bro. You so smooth, bro. This man is so smooth. At Sway_trades on Twitter, bro. Man is smooth as fuck, bro. He does this shit, bro. Smooth as fuck. Let's go, man. Let's go. Good shit. Celebrate your wins, bro. I don't care what people say. Like, yeah, if you lose, you're not supposed to be emotional, right? And this isn't even being emotional on the wins. It's just like, hey, you got a good trade in, bro. Fuck with it. I got banned because it's been putting $20 on money leg parlays on Bet365. Oh, you got banned on FanDuel. Dude, we were stuck with Flip. Holy fucking squeeze my fucking cock, bro. Alright, let's see what NQ's up to. 2% on NQ already? No, not even close. Not even close. Alright, guys. How about... This is usually if I'm on Discord, I end the live. We're good. We hit our TPs, whatever. Yo, for those in Discord, I told you guys, Big Rippy coming today, bro. I posted that shit last night, bro. That shit was, it was destiny, bro. It was fucking destiny. And bro, I think this is gonna still keep going, like, into tomorrow and Friday. Like, whatever people think's gonna happen is gonna go higher than that, bro. ES 5,000 end of week? Who says no, bro? Who says ES not hitting 5,000 end of week, bro? I was watching this stream on 480p the whole time. Tragic, bro, tragic. Oh my god. Alright. I'm donezo. I'm out of here. Great session. Great trades. Oh, okay. I got it, bro. I gotta do it for the engagement bait. Spam 1 if you enjoy the streams. Hold up, am I looking at the trade? Yeah, spam 1. Spam was cute. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I love you guys. Love you guys. Desi, when mentorships? March. The next mentorship is in March. I did two a year. Or yeah, 2 a year. March, and then I do it toward October. Got banned from spamming. Alright, for sure, for sure. Alright, I'm gonna call it for the AIM session. We banked 2 for 2 in the AIM session, 3 for 3 overall on YouTube. Spam 3 for exclusive extra access. Nah, if you guys are already previous mentees, especially if you were in the mentee in the first one, I got you guys. I got you guys. Alright, I'm calling it for the AIM session. We pretty much call this entire move. Be on YouTube or on Twitter because I might go live again in the PM session, bro. I've been enjoying these YouTube lives so much, bro. It's been a really a refresher for me. I'm gonna kick it with the Discord and then yeah, I'll call it there. All right, and guys, don't give anything back, bro. I swear to God, if I come back and I see people go, I went from green to red, I'm gonna slap someone. I'm actually gonna smack someone. Alright, deuces, guys. I'll catch you guys.